Hello, this is Durant at VeniceForVisitors.com with another in a series of walking directions to hotels in Venice, Italy. Today's destination is the Hotel Santa Chiara. You'll start your walk in the Piazzale Roma, which is the gateway for motorized traffic other than trains arriving in Venice. Right here, straight ahead of us, is the People Mover station in the bottom of a large parking garage. The People Mover is an automated tram that comes from the Maritima cruise terminals and the Tronchetto parking island. And sweeping around here slowly, you'll see more parking garages and buses. Right now, a bus is arriving from Venice Marco Polo Airport. And there's another one parked up here right ahead of us already that goes to Treviso Airport. And here it comes, the airport bus. If you're coming from Marco Polo Airport, you'll probably arrive on that ATVO airport shuttle from the airport. And farther ahead, you'll see trees. And that's where you'll probably be walking if you're going to a hotel in Venice. As you leave the airport bus, cross the street in front of the bus to the tram station. Watch out for buses as you cross. Immediately turn right onto the first platform and walk toward the trees ahead of you. At the end of the platform, cross zebra stripe. Watch out for buses. For the Santa Chiara Hotel, turn left after you cross the street and walk past the taxi stand. You'll see the hotel ahead of you. Just a very short distance. Immediately before the hotel and after the little taxi booth here, you'll see a ramp. Follow the ramp down toward an ambulance platform with two red crosses, and bear left and follow along the water. As you reach the corner of the building, you see the Calatrava Bridge across the Grand Canal ahead of you. Bear left. And on your left will be the entrance to the Hotel Santa Chiara, or the Santa Chiara Hotel if you prefer. And here we are. For more step-by-step walking directions with maps, go to VeniceHotelDirections.com. For a complete travel guide to Venice, Italy, see VeniceForVisitors.com.